Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to delete row and column in table in Microsoft Word. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. To delete a row or column in the table, do the following. Let's say we need to delete only the second column. We place the cursor in any cell of the second column and right-click. In the context menu, select Delete Cells and select Delete Entire Column. We delete the row in the same way. Select any cell in the row, select Delete Cells and delete entire row. If you need to delete multiple rows or columns, it's even faster. We select the required columns or rows and then right-click. For columns, select Delete Columns and delete rows via the Delete Cells menu. Additionally, there is an alternative way to delete a row or column. When you select a cell in the table, two tabs open on the ribbon: Table Design and Layout. Click on the Layout tab and here we need the Delete button, with which we can easily delete both a column and a row. And that's it. Now nothing more.